Hello everyone, welcome to our video. My name is Davis and today one I'm going to show you can amazing city, Tokyo and Japan. I traveled the last summers and it was incredible. Tokyo is big, modern and very beautiful. There are a lot of great things to do.
Hey Gus, I am Michael. I also visit Tokyo last summer and I love it. It's so much. There are many places to visit, many things to see, and delicious foods to eat. So let's start our tour.
In Tokyo, you can do many activities. For example, you can walk in Shibuya Crossing. It is the visit street in the world very exciting. You can also visit Tokyo Disneyland or Disney Sea. There are many fun attractions if you like cultures. You can go to Asakusa and visit our temples. You can take amazing photos everywhere. At night you can enjoy the lights. People having fun. Tokyo never sleeps, so come enjoy.
There are many places to see. There is Tokyo Tower and Tokyo Skytree, two very tall buildings, wide, beautiful views. There is also Mount Fuji near Tokyo. It is fantastic and very famous in Japan. In the city, there are some parks like Wen Park, where you can see animals and, and cherry blossom trees. And the food, wow! Tokyo has delicious food. You can eat sushi, ramen, takoyaki, and tempura. There are many restaurants and street food. You can also drink match tea. It's very popular and very tasty.
You can buy many things in Tokyo, many shares, toys, souvenirs, and so traditional. Goods in Akihabara, there are many technology stores. It's perfect for gamers.
Take photos, try new foods, visit temples, enjoy the city. Don't be shy, talk to people. They are keen and friendly.
For me, Tokyo is unforgettable place. I want to go back because there are still many things to do.
Tokyo is wonderful. If you want modern and exciting city, Tokyo is waiting for you.
Thanks for watching the video. See you in Taki of Goodbye.
Bye bye.